Well, hello there. I'm Marie with WTI. Can you believe that you can take one of these packets and turn it into one of the best soaps you've ever put your hands on? I can't either, but I am so in love with these soaps from Fomin. They just give you the best lather and they don't feel sticky or tacky on your hands, and they're so convenient and easy to use. You just unwrap it and drop it in the soap dispenser, add water, wait 20 seconds, and boom, you've got just awesome soap. I finally found a way to be eco-conscious without sacrificing quality. I recently went on a trip and packed a few of these because you can just never have enough soap in a house that you're renting, and they came in so handy. I love all the scents. I got all of them. You just have to. They smell so good. I was actually concerned about the fragrances in them because I am an asthmatic and I'm generally very sensitive to smells, but this was not overpowering. It was very light and gentle, so I'm really glad I tried these. I've gotten so many compliments from guests about how good they smell. The basil mandarin one smells so fresh and citrusy, while the honey pear smells like a delicate French pastry that I just want to eat, but I can't. While the magnolia and neroli smells like you're walking in an English garden. I just can't pick a favorite. They all smell so good. I just love these soaps by Fomin so much. I think if you give it a go, you're gonna feel exactly like I do. And that's my point of view.